Hello.
Hello.
Aw. It looks really far away over there.
It does seem farther back today, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So the camera's set up right over here, and there's a picture of us coming back, but it seems really small.
It does.
Or I'm getting really old. It's hard to tell.
I just think it's because we have so many great things to show.
There are so many great things and wonderful things to talk about.
Yes.
Like this is a plethora of beautiful things, and I feel really good about what's going into the booth.
I do too.
This is going to be fun.
Yeah.
So
wait to get these things in there.
Yes, it's going to be exciting. Welcome. This is Harmony Vintage Insider. This is my wonderful, beautiful, and talented wife, Angie.
Hi.
My name is Rick, and we have all these products that we're going to be putting into our booth today at Sugar Mill, actually. We have 3 booths, 2 at Sugar Mill in Mead, and we have 1 in Vintage Marketplace. It's an IOD, Iron Orchids Design booth there. But this stuff is, I think, primarily going into Sugar Mill today. So
yes, all of this will be going into Sugar Mill.
And where should we start? Well, you want to tell us about your week? You want to tell us what's going on? You just want to, there goes the dryer.
Time to fold some clothes. It's probably going to do that again.
We'll see.
But yeah, it's been a great week. We took a hike yesterday.
That was beautiful.
It was our first big hike or real hike, I guess. And we got really tired, but we did it. So I felt good about that.
Doing something that's challenging or doing something you didn't think you could do always leaves me feeling the best, right?
Yeah.
Overcoming an obstacle makes me feel good. So you were amazing.
Whew.
You were a rock star. She was out in front just
I was dragged. But we kept going. We took about 100 little breaks, but
it was good. It was good. So, here's to us.
Yeah.
So that was great. We took a hike. We've talked to both of our kids this week. That was really nice.
Yeah.
Our granddaughter's coming over for the weekend. Going to spend some extra time.
Yeah, so spring break.
We are blessed.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Land of Elsewhere.
Yes, that's what you're seeing here. Most of this is from Land of Elsewhere, which we've carried for a while, but we found people really love it. So we're gonna bump it up a little bit and have a little more in our booth.
Yeah, a little more of a presence in the booth.
Yes.
I did a little bit of research on them. They're a domestic. They're a company out of Texas. They're family owned. They're family operated. The whole thing is inside their family. Eco-friendly, small business. They make this stuff right on their own property. So
yeah, and it is beautiful.
Nice vintage artwork with friendly, uplifting, motivational sayings. This is beautiful, functional, and fashionable.
Yeah, it's not actually vintage, but it looks vintage. It
they're hand distressed.
A great vintage look to them. And so we have on the table here, we have 3 types of products. They have some other things, but this is what we're putting into the booth this week. We have these cards. And these.
Which one did you grab?
I grabbed a thank you card. We got some thank you and birthday mostly, right?
Happy birthday. That one.
Yeah, all of me loves all of you. It's
I love that one.
This is just thank you with a little topiary and a bird.
That one's a get well card. Heard you're feeling under the weather with a giant whale on it. Get whale soon. Wah, wah, wah.
Oh, yeah.
So those are beautiful. And then we got these tags. We've gone through literally hundreds of these
We
tags.
have, yes. We were running kind of low on them.
We were getting kind of nervous, but they came through for us.
Yep, we got 200. We're going to add to what's there. And I think people just love to stand there and look through them because they're mostly all different. And you can find something you love or for someone else.
Yes, you go through a stack and you're like, oh, I love this one, or this reminds me of.
Yes.
And at $2.50, there's no reason. Like as I've gone through the numbers, when we sell one of these, we usually sell
True.
a bunch.
True.
So we picked out a couple of favorites. Do you want to go first with a favorite?
Yes, I like this one. It's a little bunny, adorable, and it says, "What a plot twist you are." And
I like that.
I love that.
I like that. This one kind of just describes me, I think. Feels right. Go now, run wild, barefoot, and free. And it's got a nice deer on there. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure how far that thing's away. Oh, there it goes again.
Yeah, it's gonna. It's
Go
like,
ahead.
Come and get them.
Come and get me.
And anyone who knows you knows that card is perfect.
That is,
for you.
I am literally barefoot right now underneath the table.
Yep. This one has a cute little bird on it, and it says, "Every little thing is going to be all right." And wouldn't that be just a nice thing to give someone that they're going through a hard time,
just having a bad day?
Yeah, whatever. You just give them that and kind of cheer them up.
Drop that on them. Cute little bird. This one here, a little bit of me as well. It's got a cup of coffee and a beautiful plant, and it says, "It's a wonderful life after coffee."
Yes.
And this one here, this is how I feel about you. This is my little love letter to you. You are pretty much my most favorite of all time in the history of forever. It sounds Winnie the Pooh-ish, I think.
Yeah, and it is
a bear with some honey. So
that is super sweet. Yeah, I like this one. It says, "If you remember me, then I don't care if everyone else forgets."
I love that.
Pretty little birds on that one too.
And this one, when people agree with me, I always feel like I must be wrong.
That's true. That sounds like you too.
Now, one more.
Here's my last one. I have been looking for you ever since I heard my first fairy tale. Isn't that beautiful?
You are wonderful.
I love it.
You are wonderful. And this one, I think, describes how we started this business. Begin anywhere.
Yes.
Like, start now.
Yes.
Every second you don't start, you're falling behind of where you would.
That's true. That's true.
There's just some of the fun and uplifting messages that are on these cards. We have these cards here. The birthday get well thank you cards are $6.95. And did you want to do your little?
Oh yeah, I did want to talk about. So the birthday cards, they come with an envelope, and they are both the card and envelope is embedded with wildflower seeds, and they'll grow flowers when you plant them. So they're printed on tree-free paper. They come in biodegradable plant bags. I'm not sure what that means. There are no chemicals or other agents added to ensure that the process is as environmentally friendly as possible. Isn't that nice?
I love that. So these cards, there's a card, an envelope, and they come in a little plastic E.
Oh,
but the plastic envelope isn't biodegradable.
Oh, nice.
So super eco-friendly, super beautiful, uplifting, inexpensive, and highest quality. So I'm really down with these.
And a small family business.
There's no downside.
There's really
no downside. Show me one of your favorite prints that we're doing.
Yeah, so we did a few of these prints at Christmas time.
Yes.
And they sold really well.
Sold out.
Yeah, we sold out of those. So we decided to try some that were more for just all year decor. And so these are also on that handmade paper with the torn edges. They're really pretty, very thick, high quality. And this one says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity." It's a verse from Proverbs, and it has a beautiful peacock on there.
I love that peacock.
I know. I love it too.
This one here I like a lot. It says, "It is a bear with a bird under an umbrella. It says, 'You keep me safe and I will keep you wild.'" So I like that one a lot.
That one's really pretty.
That one is nice.
Yes.
Is there another one?
Yeah. I thought this one was kind of neat because it also has scripture on it. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed that someone took and sowed in his field, and it does the whole Matthew 13:31 through 32, again with the beautiful art on there. Gorgeous.
I like it. This one, elephants are kind of a thing. I like it. Elephant with a bird on it and some flowers. Simply stated, wake up and be awesome. Awesome. So
they're just fun. They're fun and they're pretty. I don't know. I hope that people will enjoy them and be able to decorate. I could just see, putting this, there it goes again, putting like this one. Wouldn't this be great in even a bathroom or in a lady's bedroom?
Yeah, I'm thinking by your vanity kind of.
I know. I was kind of thinking that too, but I didn't know what you call that room. It's not really a
powder room. I don't know.
Yeah, putting that by where you get ready in the morning and just remembering that God loves you and He thinks you're beautiful.
I love that. I love that. So we're going to have these in the booth. They're going to be there. They're take with items. They're suitable for framing if you want to frame them.
Sure.
We're going to hang them on these kind of hangers, which will be sold separately. But I just think this is really fun and exciting. And land of elsewhere, people, get on board.
Yes.
So let's see. Do we have? Let's do. You want to do your bottles for your tutorial?
Sure. Yeah, we released another tutorial. It was a little late coming out, but came out on Wednesday or Tuesday night.
Tuesday night.
And on the tutorial, it actually showed me making these bottles. So these bottles were donated by the Bullpen in Estes Park, and we just used some IOD to decorate them and for spring. And I'm super happy with how they turned out. There's one, and here's one with a little rabbit.
I love that.
It says spring on there. And so, yeah, you can watch the tutorial. I think bottles are kind of I think people like to decorate bottles. And so if you want to be inspired to try your own, you can watch that tutorial. Both of these will be in the booth for $19.95.
And they are tremendous. Again, shout out to the Bullpen in Estes Park.
Yes.
It's the old bowling alley. It's still a bowling alley.
It is a bowling alley.
But I would call it more of an amusement center.
True. Yes.
We went there for my birthday. It was very family friendly. There was family on the sets of bowling lanes. Video games, good music, tremendous food.
Yeah, the food is great.
So good.
Yeah.
So shout out to the Bullpen.
Yes.
And thank you for the bottles. We appreciate it. And let's see. Yep. Did this one go out?
This is your department.
This is my department. There it is.
The soap department. Did it come up? No,
it didn't. I'm doing a terrible job. I waited too long. There it is.
There's the
Colorado
logo.
Soap Company. This is kind of our second company that we started.
Yeah.
Bam. We have Harmony Vintage and we have Colorado Soap Company. And this week's soap is awesome.
I know.
Oh, smell it.
I love this.
So good.
It makes me kind of happy just smelling it. Like it's a very cheerful smell.
It's cheerful and it's energizing.
Yes.
Like who needs a monster when you wash with this soap, right? It is awesome. It is peppermint, spearmint, and fir needle.
Yeah.
So it smells really good. Let's see what's inside. Shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, essential oils, and it gets its color from an indigo powder. So I wish we had smell-o-vision.
I know.
Because that smells amazing, and that's going into the booth in our Colorado Soap Company part, our handmade, locally made right over there.
Yeah, all really good ingredients that you don't really have to worry about getting on your skin. It's good, good stuff.
If you're conscious of what you put on your body, this is a good soap for you.
Yeah, and we're getting some great feedback on the logo.
Yeah,
which is kind of fun.
This is kind of fun. Here's our
Yeah.
logo we came up with.
Yep.
And I've had some tremendous feedback on that.
It's kind of fun.
What else is coming up? Anything coming up?
I don't think so. Not here. I know Sugar Mill has something coming up.
Sugar Mill has their leprechaun scavenger hunt. Fun. So basically what you do is you go there, which you're going to do anyway.
Right.
And you go from booth to booth, and then you locate the leprechauns that have been placed in the booth, and there's prizes.
Oh, fun.
Go shopping.
Yeah.
Have kind of a scavenger hunt, win prizes.
Yeah.
How good is that?
That's pretty great.
That's pretty great. That's Monday the 17th from 10:30.
Is that when St. Patrick's Day is?
That is St. Patrick's Day.
Sorry.
The dryer thing is driving me crazy.
I can tell. Every time I go, I'm like
short-circuiting my brain every time.
It's okay.
Working from home, doing wash at the same time. We're doing a business. That's our dryer and the anti-wrinkle thing going off there. So, but Sugar Mill, Monday the 17th, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Leprechaun scavenger hunt. That is St. Patrick's Day, so be wearing the green, people.
Yeah. Can't forget that.
Can't forget that.
My coworker is a pincher.
I don't wear green on purpose. Let's see. Anything else, dear?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I thank you again for watching, and we hope you have a beautiful weekend and get to enjoy the nicer weather. It cooled down a little bit.
It cooled down a little bit, but it looks like the sun's trying to pop out.
It said it was going to snow and no snow, so I'm considering this nice.
We're in the wind.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. The tutorials generally come out on Monday, Tuesday-ish. Don't forget, you can go to harmonywintagedecor.com for IOD and soap.
Yes, the Bluebird soap is on there.
Bluebird soap is on there and ready to go. We love you. We thank you. See ya. Love you. Bye.
Bye.